Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ski mask kitten token. Ticker symbol is Skitten. Now this token was created on Moonshot. This is on the Base chain, a Base meme coin. Has a 24-hour trading volume of $2 million. Very popular project today. We're going to go over the information on the Skitten token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is actually trending number 3 right now in the base section on Dex Screener. If you check in the Moonshot trending section, this token popped up there earlier today, and it's got a market cap of around $250,000 right now. We have here the Twitter. I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here. Their x.com is at SKI Kitten, so Ski Kitten 1, and has the contract address right there, has a link to their Telegram. Both their Twitter and the Telegram both say CTO on it. That stands for Community Takeover. So they're basically saying that the dev is out of the picture and this token is run by the community. They just joined Twitter December 2024, 171 followers. And their webpage is linked there as well, skikitten.com. So all the links and the contract address are basically right on the Twitter here. And 1 hour ago, it says dev sold, but in true ski fashion, let the CTO, the community takeover, begin. So we'll see how this token does now that the dev is out of the picture. Their Telegram at Skitten CTO has 150 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project. Now, if you go over to the webpage, skikitten.com, it says Ski Mask Kitten, the mask stays on. Then it has a link to their Twitter, their Telegram, and then the chart pages, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, and then the contract address. So you can also find this token on Base Scan. It says 1 billion total token supply, ownership renounced, 0% taxes, LP burnt. Those are the Skittenomics. Ski Mask Kitten is for entertainment purposes only. Little disclaimer at the bottom of the page. So there's not a ton of info on their page. This is very much just a meme token with no utility really whatsoever. So their market cap right now, $252,000, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. In the past 24 hours, this token is up 171%, doing very well today. $2 million 24-hour trading volume. They have 41,126 transactions just today. They have $64,000 worth of liquidity in Uniswap, and according to Dex Screener, 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price right now is 0.00024 USD. This token was actually just created 19 hours, 42 minutes ago. That's when the pair was created on Uniswap. So it's brand spanking new. This token is not even a day old. Trending number 3, they have been doing a marketing boost as well on Dex Screener. It says marketing boost 30 lightning bolts ad button. And you can tell it was created on Moonshot because it has that little moon crescent emblem there with a star on it on Dex Screener. So they have a couple of quick audits. We're going to go over that in a second here. In Uniswap, they have 8.4 pooled ETH, which is equivalent to $130 1,717,000 pooled Skitten tokens. And then they have the community takeover claim on Dex Screener. So it says, Ski Mask Kitten community takeover, a community claimed ownership for this token today, December 11th. Dev rugged, but the ski mask stays on. So, I mean, people always say rug, but it was definitely not a rug because the token still exists. Like, rug basically means you're removing all liquidity. The dev probably sold their share of their tokens. It created somewhat of a dip, but then the community did not sell their tokens. More people bought the tokens and kind of ate up the dip. And that's generally what happens with a community takeover, because how could you remove the liquidity that is locked and burned? Doesn't make sense, right? Right. So that's why you would look for liquidity pools that are locked and burned. Now, the dev might hold a lot of those tokens. Like they might hold, 5, 10% of the tokens. You could check by, checking on things like Rug Check, where they check to see what percentage, if there's any whales that hold a decent amount, and there'll be a red flag, a warning on there that'll say like, this wallet owns 30% of the tokens, right? So generally, that's what happens when there's community takeovers, is the dev will just sell their tokens and people go, oh my God, look at that dip, and they panic and sell, or they decide we love this project and they keep supporting it, and then there's a CTO. So there's 18 decimal places on this token. This token just came out, already has 27,632 holders. That's a lot of holders. Started out with a billion total token supply. Right now, the max total supply, 990,790,039 tokens. You can find the token on BaseScan. And if you wanted to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store base tokens. So you could use a Coinbase wallet, would be fitting. You could also use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet. You would fund that wallet with ETH. Now you could download a wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Fund the wallet with ETH and bridge it to Base, or you could fund your wallet directly with Base from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Base, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then using the contract address you can find on their Twitter or on skikitten.com, you would trade your Base for the Ski Mask Kitten. You won't have to set slippage because it says 0% taxes. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees. Now, they do have some quick audits here on Dex Screener. It says no issues on their Go Plus security audit, no issues on their Quick Intel security audit. On Token Sniffer, though, they got 80 out of 100, so it's not perfect, but, pretty decent. But just be aware they didn't get perfect on Token Sniffer. So go check this project out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.